Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. A negative COVID-19 test is among the main requirements for all stakeholders who will be directly involved with this year's ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships starting next Tuesday at the National Stadium. This evening, we continue our build-up to the marquee high school sporting event.
The ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships Primetime Sports Preview, brought to you by
athletes, coaches, members of the support staff, meet officials, ISA executives, members of the media, and even the ancillary staff will all have to produce a negative COVID-19 test result as of this Saturday in order to gain accreditation for the 5-day spectacle, which gets underway at 9 a.m. next Tuesday.
As a condition of the approval granted to host this event, ISA has made arrangements for the testing of all participants for COVID-19. Over this weekend, those testing will be done. A negative PCR test no older than 72 hours must be produced to be accredited.
Chairman of the organizing committee, Richard Thompson, also elaborated on how the protocols will be enforced.
Additionally, and equally important, we have adopted in some instances expanded the protocols developed by the J3s and have had training of COVID-19 marshals to enforce these protocols throughout the championships. Teams will be required to adhere to established and approved competition protocols, which will allow for adequate physical distancing and sanitization. The details have been provided in a manual to all teams and will be monitored by an internal COVID-19 logistics committee as well as state agencies for compliance.
Due to the scaled-down measures, the total number of athletes has been significantly reduced, with 507 male competitors from 68 boys teams and 464 female athletes from 61 girls schools entered to compete. A total of 85 finals will be spread over the 5 days of competition, which will run from 9 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. on the first 4 days and 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on the final day. Meanwhile, General Manager for Broadcast Services at the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, Claire Grant, outlined the magnitude of the blanket coverage to be provided by the group.
TVJ at home, Television Jamaica Sports Network at home, and abroad via One Spot Media on pay-per-view, we're going to ensure that everybody who wants to see this event, who really would have wanted to be in the stands but you can't be, will be able to see it. You will also be able to hear on Hits 92 FM full coverage. Also, Power 106 will be having highlights, and on the last 2 days, full coverage. And this is really very important, we believe, for Jamaica and Jamaicans outside of Jamaica. Already, our pay-per-view has shown once we release those tickets from the first day, people have been signing on because they want to be a part of this really remarkable event.
There will also be a special 30-minute daily roundup on TVJ's YouTube channel. The official launch for the 110th staging of the championships took place in the studios of Television Jamaica on Thursday morning.
the ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships Primetime